If your living room feels like a movie theater, you're a QNED Evo person. If it's more like a cozy den, stick with the standard QNED. Let's break it down. Here's the no-nonsense scoop. The biggest difference? It's all about the lights. The regular QNED uses basic edge lighting. Think of it like a flashlight behind a curtain. Great for news and sitcoms, but dark scenes can look a little meh. QNED Evo? That's mini LED. Imagine thousands of tiny flashlights working together. Blacks look way deeper. And daytime glare? Not a problem. Gamers, listen up. The Evo packs a faster brain and up to 144 Hz refresh rates. That means smoother action and more HDMI ports for your consoles. Plus, colors pop thanks to dynamic QNED Color Pro. So, is it worth $700 more? Go standard QNED if you want a big screen on a budget, mostly watch regular TV, or you're a casual gamer. Spring for the Evo if your room is super bright, you crave epic movie nights, or you need every gaming edge. Summary: your eyes and your wallet will thank you for picking what actually fits your space.